Dabarym 28:25. Yahuwah shall cause you to be defeated before your enemies. You shall go out one way against them and flee 7 ways before them, and you shall become a horror to all the reigns of the earth. That scripture is our history. It is the nightmare we've lived for 400 years. The defeat, the terror, the oppression. Look at us, the so-called Negroes scattered across America, the Caribbean, Europe, Africa, the 4 corners of the earth. We feel it, a deep generational pain we can't quite name. The world calls it trauma, depression, PTSD, anxiety, broken homes. But what if that pain has a covenant name? You see the cycles of poverty, racism, fatherlessness, confusion, and know in your Ruah, this is not our true design. You're tired of the world's solutions that only put a band-aid on our curses. This is a safe place, a place of truth and favor. I am walking this path with you. We'll use the scriptures and the Dabarym as our map, and we'll be led by the Ruah Ha'Qadash of Yahuwah, our guide. So what's the first step? Right here, right now. Decide you are no longer content to be a wounded victim of history. Decide you are ready to be a restored, fully functional son or daughter of Yahuwah. Subscribe to this channel. In our first video, we begin the real work with answering the question, what is trauma? You are not crazy. You are not alone. Yahuwah is calling you home. Come, let us heal. Let us be whole. Let us be who we were born to be. Shalum, Yasharal, be whole. YaramYahu, Jeremiah 30:17. For I shall restore health to you and heal you of your wounds, declares Yahuwah.